Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to edit Facebook page bio and about information. If you're using Facebook and you want to edit your page bio and about information, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to open your Facebook. Here, just open Facebook. It might be in browser or in your app. The process might be pretty simple, but you just have to go to your profile option over here. Click on profile and go to your Facebook page profile over here. You have to make sure that you're logged in with the same page. You want to change your bio and about information. And here you just have to click on this edit option and you will be switched to your about information here and you can enter your bio. So let's say I'm gonna enter my here. So let's say I'm gonna enter this one. Just click on save. You can also change your category from here, or you can also go to category and change that from here. In personal details, you can add your current location, your hometown, your birthday, your status, your family, your gender. Let's say I want to enter my gender here. Click save. You can also enable this toggle to show on my profile. And you can also enter your languages and favorite codes. Then in details option, you can set up your price, like if you are trying to target people for money, so you can target or enter your price range, then enter your address, your service area, your funding details, and here your links. You can add your different profile links. You can add up to 10 links here, like your YouTube link, your TikTok, WhatsApp, your Facebook, your Instagram link here. You can add them from here. And community section, you can create Facebook groups. You can see that you can add up to 10 of your favorite groups in this section. Then go to services. So you can enter the services you can provide to other people with some offers. You can enter your offers or your promotions or affiliate links in this section. And just go to work and you can enter your work experience here, and here you can see the education. You can enter your college or your high school or your university education in this section. Here in hobbies, you can add your multiple hobbies in this section. Then go to interest. So you can enter your interested things like your interest in music, your TV shows, your movies, games, your sports teams, and athletes. Then go to travel, and here you can see the places up to 450 places you have visited. Then go to contact info. So in this section, you can add your phone number, your social media like your TikTok, your Instagram, or anything else. Here your mail address, your messenger, and your WhatsApp number immediately in this section. And then go to privacy and legal information. So you can enter your privacy policy link and your impressions. Then in names, you can add your other names like your name pronunciation or your other names like your nickname, your business name, or anything else you want to add in this section. So using these ways, you can easily change about info or bio of your Facebook page. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.